Hi there, it's Beth Maitland from DramaQueenBee Quilt Studios, and we're on a road trip. We're crossing the desert, we're coming down into Palm Springs, and we are on our way to the central coast of California over the holiday weekend, and I am doing some road trip ramblings, asking some questions, pondering some large thoughts, but mostly thinking about quilts. So, we know that there are all different kinds of quilting. There's the modern quilting movement, which uses more basics, more solids, lots of negative space, different kind of piecing, not regulated traditional patterns in a traditional fabric print, border sashing sort of configuration. Sometimes things are randomly pieced instead of following a pattern. Sometimes there's more curves and circles involved in the design work, more geometry, more geometric print and geometric piecing, as well as in the free motion quilting designs to manufacture it all and get it all put together for the final product. And then there is a traditionalist. There's Amish, who are kind of non-traditional in their color combinations and choices, and there are traditional and even historic-based quilts. So many things to learn, history to find out and investigate, styles to explore and experiment with. What kind of quilter are you? Are you someone who needs a pattern, who likes to have a teacher supervise, who likes to go to structured sew nights on a Tuesday night with at your teacher's house or at the fabric store, to have steps described to you and organized? Or are you a random piecer who does improvisational work, who puts a bunch of fabrics in a bag and reaches in and grabs the first one and starts from there and builds without a pattern, without measurements, just to express yourself and make a fantastic improvisational design or an art quilt? What kind of quilter are you? In the comments section below this, I would love to hear. I would love to know what kind of mind, creative process you explore. And are you willing to go out of your comfort zone? I like to do both things. I was a traditional piecer to start with because I was a very structured sewer, and I've liked to push the limits of my creativity by experimenting with art quilting, and free motion quilting has really stretched me further yet. So I can do both, but sort of like to not be rigid and be held back or in by a pattern. In fact, it's not uncommon for me to just pick out a pile of fabrics I like that go together and then just start cutting them up and make something up as I go, even if it's a traditional shaped pattern piecing. I just like to play it by ear and kind of off the cuff start cutting and make a couple mistakes along the way and learn something. What kind of quilter are you? In the comments section, please let me know. Structure, loose, modern, traditional, meticulous piecing, free motion, improvisational. Let me know. I can't wait to hear, because we're doing road trip ramblings. Let's all participate and ramble some. Beth Maitland here from DramaQueenBee Quilt Studio. Looking forward to hearing from you.